Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Sweet mango pickle is that one pickle you'll always find tucked away in a glass jar in every Goan home. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for a sweet mango pickle just the way it's been made in Goan kitchens for generations. We'll be using that slow cooking technique that gives Goan pickles their rich flavor and long shelf life. It's got the perfect mix of tang, spice and sweetness. You'll also get essential Goan style cooking tips like how to extract the right flavor, maintain shelf life without using any preservatives, and get the iconic reddish color we all love. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious sweet mango pickle. Step 1. Cutting and salting the raw mangoes. We have taken 4 large raw bottle mangoes which weigh around 1.5 kilos. These mangoes are from my aunt Shakun's garden. You can choose any type of raw mangoes you prefer. Ensure that these mangoes are firm and tender and can be used to make pickle. Wash and pat dry the mangoes completely to remove any grime or dirt. Cut off the stem and then cut slices of the mango like I have shown. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Remove the seed and save it. You can use it later while making fish curry.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then cut the mango slices into small cubes. Mango pickle is not only about taste, it also offers health benefits. Raw mango pickle is a good source of dietary fiber. Mango pickle provides vitamin K and vitamin C essential for overall health. Naturally fermented mango pickle supports gut health due to beneficial probiotics. Put these cut pieces of mango in a big glass or plastic bowl which can be covered. Follow the same process for the other 3 mangoes. Cut pieces of raw mango are ready. Put 3 tablespoons of coarse sea salt on the mango pieces. In case you plan to use regular table salt, kindly adjust the quantity accordingly, as you will need to use lesser quantity. Stir the mango pieces nicely so that the salt penetrates properly. Now add another 1 tablespoon of salt and stir it lightly. Place a plastic plate over the mango pieces and then place a heavy object over it. This will help the mango pieces release their liquid and change color. Now cover the bowl and keep it in a cool, dry place. Keep it aside and let it rest for 1 or 2 days, and remember to stir the mango pieces every 8 hours. While doing that, ensure the pieces from the bottom come to the top. Step 2A. Ingredients for grinding. Take 12 Kashmiri red chilies. Remove the stems and cut the red chilies into smaller pieces. Discard the stems and the seeds that fall out from the chilies. 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut the ginger into small pieces. 14 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the garlic into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half cup or 125 ml of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, then apple cider or palm vinegar can also be used. Step 2B. Ingredients for cooking. Take 1 cup of sunflower oil or any other cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves or curry patta. Half cup of jaggery. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Step 3. Straining the salted raw mango pieces. After 1 to 2 days, you will notice that the bright green color of the mangoes has changed and become olive green in color. Open the bowl, remove the weight and the plate, stir the raw mangoes. You will see a lot of liquid that has been released from the raw mangoes. Take a bowl, place a strainer on top of the bowl to drain the liquid. Add the raw mangoes in the strainer. Cover and keep aside for an hour. After an hour, pour the reserved liquid drained from the mangoes into a bowl and store it. Discard the sediments or leftover particles in the bowl. Reserved liquid is ready. Step 4. Preparing the pickle masala paste. In a mixer grinder, add the Kashmiri red chilies, add the ginger pieces, add the garlic pieces, add the cumin or jeera seeds, add the vinegar, grind to a fine paste. If required, you can use a little bit of the reserved liquid to grind the pickle masala paste. Pickle masala paste is ready. Now use the reserved liquid to remove any leftover masala in the mixer grinder and keep the pickle masala liquid in a separate bowl. Don't use regular water now or anywhere in this recipe. Step 5. Preparing the sweet mango pickle. On medium-low heat, in a heavy bottom pan, add the sunflower oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the fenugreek or methi seeds. Add the asafoetida or hing powder. Stir the oil. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Then add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir it nicely. Now add the pickle masala paste. Stir it nicely. Keep in mind that oil increases the shelf life of the pickle. Now add the jaggery. Add the sugar. Stir it nicely. Add the pickle masala liquid and stir everything nicely. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Let the pickle masala cook in the oil and let the jaggery and sugar dissolve in the mixture. Initially, it will feel liquidy, but then it will start to thicken. We added another 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now add the cut mango pieces. Stir everything nicely. Ensure all the mango pieces are completely coated with the pickle masala. Check for salt, sweetness, sourness and spice. Then add whatever is required. Stir everything nicely. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Overall, mango pickle is healthy if eaten in moderation. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members. Once done, put off the heat. Let the pickle cool completely at room temperature before storing. Our sweet mango pickle is ready. Store the pickle in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass or ceramic container. Let it mature for at least 15 days before consuming. Once matured, it can also be kept in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. Always ensure that there is a layer of oil floating over the pickle, as this will preserve the pickle better. Add some more oil if required. Enjoy this delicious sweet mango pickle with rice, fish curry, pulao or any other way you prefer. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy and God bless.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.